Hi everyone, brace yourselves for some more orchid ideas. Here we go. By the way, I've been making these Sunday videos for many months now, even though today is just the 7th one that I've put on YouTube, or maybe the 8th. I've been doing these for a long time, and about a year and a half I've been working with Floripa Bob from Santa Catarina, and in that time it's an incredible journey of the distillation of an idea, and it's been distilled now. This past week was a eureka moment. We watched a lot of seminars about crowdfunding, and there are 3 really keys to success. Number 1 is the pitch. The pitch is everything, really. Number 2 is being proactive, and to that end we're creating teams. The campaign will be 40 days long. Average donation, they say, is $75, but we're going to look at the $50 average donation. We'll have 8 different perks, or maybe as many as 8 different perks. And we will also really provide a follow-up, constant, daily reports. And that's part of being proactive. And the 3rd key is an audience that cares. So we really need to reach orchid lovers, and that's something we're going to focus on as we move forward. So we've got a really clear strategy for 40 days, and here's the thing: it needs to be achievable, and it's project driven. So the eureka moment came when we realized that what we're really focused on doing is creating a crowdsourced orchid wiki. And that's our first step, is 22,000 orchids, and we want to crowdsource all 22,000 of them into one resource. And we want to build a community site, so we're going to use all of our initial energy and efforts into getting the wiki, wildorchid.info. Wildorchid.info is really our primary objective in the very beginning. Now, I want to just go on a little bit of a sidetrack here. One of our people of great inspiration is Gisele, and I think she's tremendous. Brazilian, great example. What I find attractive about her is her self-knowledge. She really knows who she is and where she comes from, I believe. And that is much more than just confidence. In January, she became a director for the Rainforest Alliance and started representing Brazil in New York City with the largest nonprofit. Now, as we know, wild orchids cannot exist without their natural habitat, rainforest. And the Atlantic forest is our number 1 objective in raising awareness of it, protecting it. And by the way, there are a lot of wild orchids that haven't even been discovered yet that are in the Atlantic rainforest. Now, Gisele is also involved with SOS Mata Atlantica, a non-profit for preservation of rainforest, and we're going to focus on that as well. But we would really like to have Gisele take a look at the Wild Orchid Project, and we're going to focus exactly in on creating something very unique, and it answers this question: how to become sustainable from forestry. And recently she created a song, or she was involved with Caetano Veloso created a beautiful song called I'm Alive, and other artists from Brazil. And in the beginning she puts her voice over saying the time has arrived for sustainable forestry. So that is our number 1 objective, is to become sustainable. We're going to do that through projects and keeping our overhead really low. And right from the beginning, we're going to be selling things. We're going to focus on making money right from the start. And you'll be quite surprised at the variety of things that we can sell online through our audience. But getting that website to generate revenue is going to be really important in the early. And to do that, we're going to crowdsource 22,000 orchid. And we are going to put cameras on our own nursery in Santa Catarina, and people will be able to log in and check out anytime they want, 24/7, and come with GPS coordinates right to the property and have your photo taken beside the most extensive collection of exotic orchid in the world. That's our objective and our goal, and we're going to launch on September the 9th, and we're building all the infrastructure to put into place, Facebook pages, newsletters, etc., etc. So we're really distilled now. We know what we're doing, and I thank you for watching and your continued interest. Please plan on getting involved and telling your friends. We need everybody to tell everybody, and anyone who loves orchid, get them in touch with us. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and I hope you're having a great weekend wherever you are.